Now I am going to explain how to disable Windows Auto Update. First of all, let's go into Windows Update menu. Open the Windows settings by clicking on the setting icon in the Start menu. Click on Update and Security. In the Windows Update section, you should update Windows operating system. I updated my Windows operating system, you can see it. After then, disable Windows Auto Update. Close this window. Now, disable Windows Auto Updates using the Group Policy Editor. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type gp-edit.msc and click OK. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and click Windows Update. Double-click on Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disabled, and click Apply and OK. Now Windows Auto Update disable. Then close this window, after then going to Windows Update menu. Now you can see Windows Auto Update is disabled. Thank you for watching this video. If you helpful this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.